camshaft is one of the most misunderstood mods on a HEMI. At Dusterhoff Racing, we get asked a lot about cams, every single day. And here's the truth. We don't chase dyno glory or outlandish claims. We design camshafts for real, usable power that keeps your HEMI reliable and fun to drive. Let's break down our cam kits using some real numbers. Our Stage 1 cam is simple, powerful, and has a great chop. It's stock converter friendly, requires no valve springs, and drops right in. Most Mopars see 25 to 35 wheel horsepower over stock while keeping excellent street manners. It's our most popular cam and the perfect starting point for most builds. And that's the key right there. There's no best cam, just the right one for your build. All right, Stage 2 is where things are going to step up. This cam requires a converter and valve springs, which we offer as a complete kit. Depending on your setup, you'll typically see 35 to 45 wheel horsepower, and you'll absolutely feel it. It's the perfect sweet spot for any driver who wants both street and track performance. Stage 3 is for those who don't compromise. It delivers the most chop we offer while supporting higher airflow and power goals when paired with intake upgrades or boosted setups. For that reason, you'll find it in some of our most popular power packages, like the DT605. Bottom line, our camshafts are engineered for consistency, reliability, and real performance. There's no one-size-fits-all cam, only the right cam for your build. Call us today for a free camshaft consultation, and Dusterhoff Racing will help you choose the right cam the first time.